Valentine's Day, and honey, we're not going out to eat nothing. I'm home. I got me some salmon at Publix, and I'm about to cook up a storm, okay? Because I don't feel like going out to eat, because honey, Corona is doing its thing here in Florida, okay? So watch me cook this quick meal up for my husband. Yep, on Valentine's. Just finished slicing up the salmon, so I'm just gonna squeeze some lime. I don't know, in Jamaica we like to use lime to wash our fish. I don't care what kind of fish it be, honey. I ain't eating no fish that's raw. So good old lemon, lime, fresh lime, lemon, whatever you got, we gotta squeeze this baby on it and wash it. So I'm gonna do that, then I'm gonna start seasoning it up. For seasoning, I'm just gonna be using this Everglades. I really love it. It's fabulous. And then I'm gonna use some of the good old Obey. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some Obey on it. Oh, it's not coming out. And some Obey, not too much. I don't want a lot of seasoning on it, but you know, just enough. So guys, I just used my little tray that comes with the oven, and I'm just gonna coat this foil with some olive oil. And yeah, my hands are clean. I just washed my hands. So I just gonna make sure that it's coated all over, well coated, so it won't stick to the thing. Sorry, dang it. So yeah, I'm just coating it so it doesn't stick. And I'm just gonna lay them in like so on the side, close together like so. Yeah, then I'm just gonna put this little piece right there, just like that. So guys, I put it in the oven, and it's on 450 degrees, and I put it on 20 minutes, but I'm gonna put it over here to 45 minutes because I don't want it to be too dry. Sorry, I don't want it to be too dry, so I'm putting it to 45 minutes and then check back and see if that's enough. That should be enough. And then I'm gonna get started on the sauce. Okay, so guys, these are the vegetables that I'll be steaming. We have our string beans, our broccoli, and asparagus. Just those three, and I also have a can of corn that I'm going to put in there. I also have this can of corn that I picked up at Walmart that I'm gonna use in there, and I'm also gonna cook some corn on the cob on the side as another side to go with it. So yeah, so I'm actually gonna wash these vegetables. People, make sure you wash your fruits and vegetables properly. It is also written on the bags and on the containers of the products that you buy. Please wash them properly, because these people be using all kinds of pesticides and stuff on them that is not good for your health if you consume them without washing them. So you got to wash them, okay? I'm just gonna leave them to soak in the water for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna give them like 2 more washes, and I'm gonna go work on the sauce. So for the sauce, I have this what's it called, pineapple nectar that I'm gonna be using for the sauce for the salmon, and I have this Kendall sweet and spicy. I actually got this from my Jamaican store. You don't know, have to use our Jamaican products. And this is my Everglades season that I love so much. My husband introduced me to it. I found it at Walmart. And then you don't know, the good old Walker's Wood Scotch bonnet. And I also have the good Walker's Wood jerk season, hot and spicy. But I'm not sure if I wanna use some of it in there. I'm gonna see, because this is already spicy, and then I have this is mucho caliente, very hot. This Walker's Wood Scotch bonnet, people, you should try it out. It's also in Walmart, and it's also in Publix. That's where I got it from. Okay, so you can check it out. I got this from Publix also, and I'm not sure if it's in Walmart. I've never looked in Walmart because I always gotten it from Publix, but you can check it out, people. Awesome. Okay, you're doing chicken on the grill, awesome to season up your chicken. Okay, so we're gonna get right into it. In the meantime, salmon over here cooking beautifully. That's why I like to cook it in this small oven instead of the big oven, because I'm able to see it. Because sometimes you're cooking lots of stuff, you get distracted and you forget you have something in the oven. But when it's here, I can feel the heat and I can see it to see if it's getting done too much. You know, I have better control when it's in the small one up here. So yeah, that's the way it's looking right now, and I'm just gonna get the rest of the stuff together. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead with the sauce right now. First thing I'm gonna put in is my pineapple juice. Not a lot. I don't have a measurement to tell you that I put this amount, but it's not a lot because I'm not making a lot of sauce like that. I think I should put a little bit more. Just a little bit more. I think that's good. And then I'm gonna add some of my Kendall spicy ginger. Oh, wow. You should try this sauce, guys. It tastes so good, but it is hard to come out. I don't know if it's because it has gotten so cold. Oh, it's coming out, but not as fast as I want it to, so I have to shake it down. Shake it down. That should be enough for right now. Just gonna put some of my seasoning in there. That's good. And then I'm gonna go over put some of this. Ooh, not think I put too much. I think I put too much, but it's fine. I like it spicy anyway. My daughter likes it spicy. My husband is just getting around to like spice, but he'll be just fine. And then the sweetness of the pineapple juice too will kind of cancel out some of the spices, so it's kind of a spicy sweet taste like. And I'm gonna put some honey in. So I have some of this raw Florida honey that I pick up in Publix. Just gonna put a little chips in there because that sauce is already sweet. And then we're just gonna stir it like so, and I'm just gonna leave it so it stays here and simmer while I finish cooking the rest of the food. I gotta spill. Oops. You gotta clean as you go, people. I like to clean as I go, so when I'm done cooking, I have nothing to clean up. My kitchen is clean, no dirty plates in the sink. Yeah, clean as you go. It makes life easier, trust me. Okay, so yep, I'm gonna get going with the veggies in this pot over here. I'm just gonna add butter and a little tip of water and just turn it down low so it can stay there for like 15 minutes and steam. So I added the butter, guys. It's just this. I can't believe it's butter, nothing too fancy, no fancy butter. And that's the amount I put in there, like 2 spoons and a little bit. I like my vegetables tasting buttery. I don't know, everybody do theirs different, but this is how I like it, so this is how I'm gonna do it. Okay, yeah. So all the vegetables in the pot, and this is how it's looking. And this is my sauce. Fire is on low and it's just here taking its time coming together. No rush, no pressure. So yeah, this is where we at now. Sauce is done. Corn over there finished cooking. Woo. And our vegetable over here is finished steaming. Looking good. And the salmon over there looking all golden and nice. Next time you see it, it's gonna be on the plate, baby. And this is my plate right here. This is my itsy bitsy plate, and I'm just eating. I'm just gonna share it in this plate for YouTube purpose, because I eat from a bowl. Okay, I don't eat out of plate. If you know me, you know me. I eat from bowls, or I eat from paper plate. But yeah, I'm just doing this now. And guys, this is what the finished product looking like. Look at the salmon, looking so juicy and nice. And we have the sauce there, and just the veggies on this side. The plate is very small, so yeah. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Let me know if you try this recipe at home and how it turns out for you. Okay? Bye. Peace.